Hi, myself Jitendra Beda. I'm staying in 77 number in this Kishan Signature Bungalows. Uh,
76.
the number is 76, and we booked this house like back in January 2022, and like at that time the builder has committed to give us the possession within 4 months, and they keep their commitment. They provided the possession and everything in month of May 2022, and then we started living here from June 2022, and like we have been staying here almost 2 years. We are happy with the builder. They have fulfilled all the commitment what they provided, and the people in this society are also very good. Uh, there are like other schemes or other societies by this group, and I would recommend my friends and other people to book in this group. This is a very good and committed group, and they are professional in this business. They provide like all the help after getting possession. Like if you have something to modify or something to do, they will be ready to help you in this case, and all are very good. That's it. Thank you.
અમે અહીંયા 2 વર્ષ જેવું થવા આવ્યું રહીએ છીએ. કિશન ગ્રુપ મેનેજમેન્ટ બહુ સારું છે અને બધા સોસાયટીમાં માણસો બી બહુ સારા છે, હળીમળીને રહીએ છીએ. મકાન વ્યવસ્થિત બાંધેલું છે અને આટલું પ્લાન મસ્ત બીજી જગ્યાએ બહુ ઓછા જોવા મળે છે. તો હું રેકમેન્ડ કરીશ કે કિશન ગ્રુપમાં તમે વિઝિટ કરો અને તમારું બુકિંગ કરાવો.